A lot of my clients have spent years building a reputation for attracting diverse talent, creating that inclusive culture. But now with the new regulations, a lot of the talent acquisition teams are worried. They don't want to lose what they've worked so hard to build. Also, internal employees, they're feeling the impact too, asking questions about, like you said, promotion, pay equality, whether their ERGs might be affected. So it's understandable when your entire culture is built on inclusivity, any sign of change can really feel unsettling. So what does this mean for hiring managers, recruiters? Should they modify their hiring strategies to avoid any of these legal challenges?
Sure. So I'm just going to actually do represent various search firms and staffing companies. And over the past, since I've been doing this 15, 20 years, there have been instances where these companies have come to me and said, what do I do when a client, a customer comes to me and says, I specifically want somebody from this specific protected class to apply, to be sent to my company for open positions. And that type of request was illegal 15, 20 years ago, as much as it is now. Again, that could result in a reverse discrimination claim or a discrimination claim by another protected group, saying the other protected group is favored. So it's important from your perspective, from a search firm's perspective and hiring manager's perspective, that you evaluate your policies and procedures regarding hiring and ensure that they don't have some kind of overt or passive discriminatory effect on a group. And it's important to ensure, in order to, again, attract the best talent, it's important to engage. You're going to have to do extra work. You're going to have to make the efforts to go out and touch and follow up with various groups that help protected classes find employment and opportunities. Equal employment opportunity is still legal. It's important to engage in it. And again, touching and reaching out to organizations, not-for-profits that help protected groups find employment, colleges, advertising in the right or places where readers or in social media is what we're really talking about these days, where eyeballs are that are going to attract qualified applicants for these open positions. There's nothing illegal about doing that. That is all permissible. The government can't tell a search firm, a staffing company, or an employer for that matter, where they can look for talent. So you still have all those channels to try and locate and obtain applicants who are qualified for a job that may fall within a protected class. The key is not to engage in reverse discrimination, which is really what a lot of these two DEIs are really about.